Wanna know how to add Jetpack AI Search to your website in WooCommerce or WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com and make sure you're under the WordPress admin of your created website. Now, once you're there, head towards posts or pages, any one of these two. The process is simply same. Now, just open the existing post or page. Now, once you've done that, on the top left side right here, you should see this blue plus icon. Just simply select it. That should be right beside the WordPress logo. Now, once you're there, since we want Jetpack AI Search, just simply scroll down until you see AI Assistant. And right beside AI Assistant, you should be seeing Jetpack AI Search. So right here, this provides a summarized answer to questions. So we can just simply select it to add it to your site right here. And now, make sure you have enabled Jetpack Search. So it's definitely behind the paywall. So that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.